One minute Bitcoin chart, guys. 1 minute Bitcoin chart. What's up, Barrel Banano? What a name, Barrel Banano. Hi man, how you doing? How's everybody? How's everybody doing? Everybody nice? Everybody panicking? I panicking, man. I panicking like crazy. I'm not panicking. Oh, cool, man. Everything's good. Everything's good, man. Everything's good. But is this the bottom? Is this it? We are breaking the resistance. How can we go up if we breaking the support? We're not breaking the resistance, we breaking the support. The support is being broken. What are we gonna do now, guys? What are we gonna do? Not only we got rejected by the 10 and 20 moving average, we cracked the 50, we dropped below the support, we closed below the support. What's up, Decentral Plant? The Burin changed the name, the Gardener changed the name. Who are you? I'm the late adopter, technical analysis here on YouTube channel, making your life easier. Maybe. Or maybe harder, you know, because maybe you want to go long and I say short. Maybe you want to go short and I say long. I don't know, man. I don't know. How you doing? Who are you, Lil Jim? Lil Jim? By the way, I wonder about your name. Why you called Lil Jim? Is it something sexual about the name? Wait, don't answer that. Let it be mystery. Mystery is okay. Mystery is okay. Are we breaking the trend, guys? Are we breaking the trend? I haven't checked the trend. Oh, very. Oh, that's bad. It's actually down here, right? It's up here. Yeah, definitely breaking the trend. Broke the trend, could not get up above the trend. Crashed down. Bam! Hi TLF from Malaysia, 2:50 AM. Nice. At least you are awake at the right moment, right? Drex, how you doing, man? How's everybody doing? How's everybody? Yeah, we definitely broke the trend. The trend has been your friend for a long time, and right now there is no trend. You know, we broke down. Bam! Down. Christmas tree, guys. Christmas tree. Is this done? Is this done? I don't know. It's done. We're trying to figure it out. Dump to 100k. Unfortunately, it's not going in the right direction for the dump to 100k, man. We broke the 50 moving average down here like a MF, you know. We are below 200 moving average on the 1 hourly. So we gotta look for sports, guys. We gotta look for sports. Doing good, dude. That's good to hear, man. That's good to hear, Drax. I like that. I like that. Everybody doing chill now. Everybody doing chill. Did everybody smash the like button, guys? The more you smash the like button, the more people come in, you know, the more people, you know, nag me, hey man, do this, do that, the more things guys I do. Like button successfully hit. That's good to hear, Avilio. I like that. I like that. We gotta find some kind of support. This 61.8 got broken. We're gonna remove everything up here, everything but the trend line, everything but the trend line. So you know the resist, you know, we had to get above these levels, failed to get above those levels. You can see this move towards the upside, bam, straight down below the 50, below the 200 daily, below the 10 moving average. Where is the support, man? So we are hoping this 61.8 might have been support. It's obviously not, so we're gonna remove that. We got down here, that's we are also breaking at 60,878. Overextension, there are no overextensions, unfortunately. To the upside there was I think maybe some overextension small time frames and we dumped down, but right now, you know, we are sitting on the moving averages. There are no overextensions on anything right now. Maybe some kind of small time frames down here, maybe some kind of 5-minute chart up here, you know, that's that. But you know, it looks weak right now, it looks weak. Market maker magic. Market massively overinflated again. Let's dump this Ponzi back to 30s, 40s. Let's not do that. Let's not do that, okay? 57,500. says 57,500. Smashed. 57,500. I don't know if you're gonna hit 57. You know, I really don't care where we hit, as long as we find something and, you know, stick with that. That'd be nice. Of course, we got big support down here at 60k, so you know that's that. Huge support at 60k. You know, you break below 60k, you're done. No, you're not actually done. You know what we've been saying. We've been saying we don't want to go past this level down here. We don't want to go below 53.7. But why should we break the 60k support, man? That was so hard to break, and right now you know we broke that, great all-time high with the wick, and right now you wanna go back. 60k, 59, 57 supports. 60, yeah, 60.8, yeah, 59, 57. Let's dump to 100, 150k and then back pump it to 30. Dr. Fragrance, your buy and sell buttons are twisted around. Let's find 48k. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. I'm afraid that if we find 48k, we won't be getting back to 60k. Michael Altcoin is on the job. Join the club, guys. Join the club if you're not in the club. Retest of the big cup and handle. Inverse head and shoulders breakout. Retest of the big cup and handle. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Burin, that's nice. Inverse head and shoulders. Cup and handle. Retest on that. Ooh, that's nice. But you know, that's so huge, man. That's huge. That's a lot, man. That's too much. I think that's too much. That's too much. It's nice, but it's too much. Let's look at this on the weekly, since there's just a lot of data going up here right now. So, inverse head and shoulders. Wow. This move up here. Are we gonna retest this on 50k? I don't know, man. I don't know. It looks very Selena today. Yeah, there is no Selena today. We think the chill stream, chill row today. What's the lowest highest low we can make? What's the lowest highest low? Yeah, so this is so he's asking, this is the low, what's the lowest highest low? So you know, we don't want to break the 43k, but what, you know, what's the lowest highest low we can make? Yeah, that's the question. Like down here, like it looks plausible. 51k, I mean, sure, it can happen for some reason. I don't know why we should do that, but smash the like. That's good, Carlos Lavia. 50k ish. Lovely fluffy support in the 40s, the good old days. Yeah, we don't want to go back to the good old days, man. We're done with the good old days. We are looking to the future. We want to find out where we're going next. You know, we don't want to go back. We like nostalgia like everybody else, you know, but not right now. Not right now. Not right now. It's not, right now. It's not. So yeah, the pullback down here might. Let's see if this corresponds with any nice moving averages up here. 10. How long is this gonna take? This is Friday today, so Saturday, Sunday, this is gonna be end. 1, 2, I mean, up here around 53. Like we said, 53 might be it, man. I don't know. Butin the central plan. This is a very nice idea. This is definitely, I didn't think of this. This is a very nice idea, the cup and handle, you know, the retest on the cup and handle. Let's go and check out if we have to. By the way, Kuma, I haven't bought Kuma, just so you guys know. I haven't bought, wait, just so you guys know. Full moon, not full moon. Let's go and see how cup and handle. I just see some images of, you know, prices. It doesn't have to. I don't think we have to have a retest on it. You know, I don't think we have a retest on it. Here is some nice cup and handle, but you know, here you get this small pullback on the back side. Yeah, look at this. This looks like what we're having right now. Cup handle, pull back up, and then drop down to the neckline, and then, you know, bounce. Yeah, it would be interesting if we did, you know, bounce, you know, back test down, but we just had like big 3 weeks, you know, to the upside. So, you know, this doesn't correspond well to me. We'll keep the line. We'll keep definitely the line because I like the line. The central line, I like the line. It is a support line. I think options expiration today. You know, people have been talking about these options, you know, expiration days and stuff like that. You know, whether they affect the price or not. But you know, I haven't seen it. Big buy orders at 60k. You know, buy orders can be moved. It costs you 0 money, put in a buy order. What's the lowest low we can get? Yeah, fluffy support on the 40s, good old days. Moon don't play out. No. Moon is playing out. Moon is playing out. Let's see here. Moon phases. Is the moon playing out? Let's just remove this middle stuff up here. No, yeah, we're just having a small pullback on the moon. No problem. It's gonna, you know, we are expecting this. No problem. On a big time frames, you know, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Good evening, Hashim. How you doing? Sup, Adri. What's up? How's everybody doing? Let's see here. Okay, let's not look at the moves right now. Let's find the support lines. So we got this very nice support line down here, right? That's like also the 10 moving average down here, right? Corresponds really nicely with this down here. So around 51,000. There is definitely some decent support here between 50 and 51,000. Definitely some decent support. I don't know if we are gonna look at 50,000, you know, but that's that. We got this 60,000 up here, right? There's a lot of support right below us because of this area up here. A lot of support. Do we have anything up here like this? Yeah, this line up here, right? This was a thing before, right? This was a thing before. I think it was a thing before, but right now it's not a thing. Should be a thing right now. It's not a thing right now, unfortunately. It's a bad support line. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame, see what we have over here on the daily. So yeah, down here I said like 53,000. I don't want to fall below this. I know that we got some nice support down here around 50,000, but I would not like to fall below 53. Now there is a lot of support until we get to 20 moving average down here. Also this 20 moving average down here might actually work out. This daily. So these are the weekly supports. So there is a lot of support right below us, anywhere in between 57 and 60k. This is a support area. Like you break this, you're gonna be having a bad time, guys. You're gonna have bad times. So if you cannot hold this area up here, you cannot, because this is 20 moving average, this is 10 moving average, but you start breaking the 20 moving average on the downside again, you know, that's, you know, you don't want to do that. Technically, let's see how previous bull run has been acting, and you can see here that we have been holding the 20 moving average pretty religiously up here until we broke it down, you know, so that can happen. And then here the 50 moving average cannot be broken, so the 50 moving average cannot be broken on the daily. The 50 moving average cannot be broken on the daily. If you break the 50 moving average, that's the yellow line, that's a bad thing. And you can see right now that the yellow line actually corresponds really nicely with the cup and handle pattern, inverse head and shoulders, with the supports down here at 50,000. So you know, that's the last support. If it just dumps straight down today, which is not gonna happen, usually it goes kind of sideways, the 50k levels, 51k levels are usually some kind of very nice support. But before we can get to these levels, we got to this 57th 60k support area. We got a 57 to 60k TLI hitting before hitting the club. Let's go. What club? There's club. I didn't know there was a club. Hey TLA, how are you doing? Is there something wrong with the notifications? I didn't get one. No, it's working as expected. You don't get notifications for this video. The thing is, when you're making videos on YouTube, you can only set notifications for 3 videos per 24 hours. Meaning, if you make 4 or 5 videos, only 3 videos will get be sent notifications out, and not the rest. Now I make a lot of videos. My notifications went out for Cardano, XRP, and VeChain. So there is at least 2-3 other videos that didn't get sent out notification, because YouTube that just don't want you to spam notifications to your subscribers, because they know that your subscribers don't appreciate 20 videos per day. But 3 videos is okay. 3 videos is okay. 20 videos per day is not. So yeah, there is no notifications for this video. Only way to get notifications is join the Telegram group and I'll get notified there, because those notifications always goes out. 53 votes, 47 likes. I don't know how that works out, but if you voted in the poll, you should be hitting the like button, because he said yes, I smashed the like button. So 57% smashed the like button, and he said no, but I also hit the like button, but 47 likes. Maybe the like button has been hit 22%, but still just 48%. So 54 people answered the poll, but only 48, so 10 people missing, guys. Around 10 people, 8 people missing. Gonna bounce off 57 though. You think this is gonna bounce off 57? This is a big level. This is a big level of 57. Where it's gonna be 57 or not? Right now 2.75 down. What I'm not really interested in whether because you can see we are getting close to this. We're getting close to this. This is the trend right now. I think this is the trend, give or take. There you go. This is the trend. So if you look at it without moving averages, you can see the trend. This dump down here is gonna be finished as soon as we break the trend. But if we start breaking, continue down here, we can see some dumpage down here. 60, 59. What's that? 58 to 57. We can definitely get into the area. What's up, TLA gang? Batch Guitar is in the house. Hey man, how you doing? That would be hell of a shakeout. Yes, a lot of leverage longs would be wrecked without that kind of move. The graph USDT. Yeah, the graph is doing nice. By the way, how is your graph doing today? On my list, the graph, if I can find the graph on the list. Yeah, -3% today, but it was pumping like crazy. It was pumping like crazy. Yeah, it went to the resistance, so it's it's having a pullback. Normal activity. Rune is up 16%. I saw people shilling it, trying to break up here. And right now the strongest coin right now, one of the strongest coins, is Phantom. I don't know why, but this thing is blowing off when Bitcoin is going down. 16% up right now. I don't wanna say what I did with my Phantom, because you're gonna laugh. So I'm not gonna say. Rune shows finally some strength. Yeah, finally some strength. 5-minute chart. IP3 popping off. Yeah, there is probably a lot of coins popping off. Look at this nice. Look at this nice. Shh. But the resistance here on this one is up here, right? So it's hitting the resistance. So I don't know if it can pop off. Bitcoin still going down. We are interested in Bitcoin right now. We are interested in Bitcoin and whether we are gonna get smacked down to oblivion or not. Let's look at some indicators down here. So this is working as intended. This is working as not as intended. But this is 5-minute chart. Let's look at 50-minute. bullish cross on the 50 minutes, so that's something, but you know, it's still getting rejected by this 10 and 20 moving on the 50. Let's see 30-minute chart. This is bullish divergence and yet be dumping. How can this be? So you got a hidden bullish divergence up here, and then you can, you know, 2 green candles and you still continue dumping. How can this be? That's what I'm asking. Are we at the bottom, guys? Are we at the bottom? That's what I want to know. Four-hourly is not giving us anything, man. 4-hourly is bad. Open a short at 63.7, a little late, but still I think we will trace around 58k. 58k is around this level up here. It might be, man. We are right now below 50 moving average on the 4-hourly, and you know, this 100 moving average is at 58.7. So you know, it's probability of that. It's probability. Like, you can definitely go down there. You can definitely go down in the region of 58.8 or something like that. Bearish flag to the downside, bro. Bearish flag. What time frame do you see the bearish flag at? Hoping else. Yeah, there you go. Ryan Svoboda. Hoping alts crash with this movement, trying to pick up some more ADA on sale. What about chess coin? I don't know. Do you play chess? Sorry, man. Haven't seen the coin. Haven't seen the coin. Bearish flag 1 hour. Bearish flag 1 hour. Okay, where's the flag, man? I don't think you can call this a flag, man. I think it's too early to call this a flag. Any chance Altcoin will all-time this weekend? It is full moon. You are absolutely correct. It is full moon. Will it actually happen this weekend or no? I don't know. But some kind of flushing is definitely going on Bitcoin right now. The daily and the weekly chart are not bearish. I mean, we are below 10 moving average. Some kind of more slow pullback to the downside is happening. There is no problem. But you know, if you look at the chart down here, like there is like no divergence. Sure, we got the only thing we had was this, you know, price going up, you know, momentum going towards downside. Some kind of pullback to the downside might happen. We also talked about it, but you know, weekly also looks very nice. No overbought levels, no divergence, no nothing going towards the upside. Also, volume is looking very, very nice. Volume, I love the volume, man. Volume is looking extremely good on the weekly time frame. Even on the daily time frame, I think volume is looking good. Yeah, volume is looking extremely nice, even on the daily time. So on the daily and the weekly, I'm definitely, you know, I'm definitely thinking this is gonna go to some kind of 80,000, because there is absolutely nothing that says that this right now is looking bad in any kind of shape or form. The only bad technicals right now are on the smaller time frames, anyhow. Those can happen. XS looks good on the 4 hour as well. XC did 5% to 126. Yeah, XC looks like it's gonna pop soon. XC looks nice. XC looks nice. What's that? Let's see here. 10% is down there. Sure, let's go long on XC. Why not? Yeah, actually looks good, but you know, Bitcoin is we are wondering about Bitcoin, and you know, eventually this trend line has to be broken. Once this trend line is broken, guys, this trend line up here, once the trend line is broken, that's gonna beat, guys. That's gonna beat. You know, we are going up upwards. SLP, no, we don't look at SLP, man, that's bad. Is VeChain still above the triangle? No, it's not above the triangle. I think VeChain is a little bit above the triangle, but it's still, let me see, because it pulled back a little bit. Yeah, it is above the smaller triangle, but not above the bigger one. Above the big one, it's not exactly on the triangle, right up here. Like it's very close. It's very close. You know, that's all I can say about it. Good evening, Trying. How you doing, man? Welcome. Exactly, that's what I mean by kinda. I need the pullback, kinda. Alex, yo, what's up? I bought a fullback with Algorand a few hours ago. Looks good. Algorand. 70 likes, 1 likes, 100 people in the house. 84 people smashed the poll, but cannot smash the like. Something is off, guys. Something is off. Let's see up here. Long extend. Sure. Quantity. 50%. 50%. Wait, 50%. 50%. Market limit. Where is he? From so Bitcoin. Don't like the rising wedge on VeChain. Yeah, but the rising wedge is can be a little bit difficult. But if you break out of the rising wedge, because oftentimes rising wedges, if you break out of the rising wedge to the upside, that's a very strong bullish signal, guys. Very strong. What about stop spamming? Yeah, no spamming, guys. No spamming. Dodge is on start. Yeah, Dodge looks good, man. I mean, right now I don't know with this pullback how I haven't checked the coins, but 1% up. Dogecoin. Yeah, Dogecoin. Yeah, let me see the moving averages up here. How they sit on the moving averages? Yeah, it looks fine. It looks ready. It looks ready. That's the only thing I can say about it. Looks ready. Let's see here. I see it just for a second. Fine. Ming Banana, how you doing, man? Okay, forget about Eagle. Let's see here. Okay, let's go. Yeah, good luck with that. How about BTT? Long time since we checked BTT, man. So Bitcoin again. Bitcoin. Where is Bitcoin? Bitcoin. There is Bitcoin. Let's see. This is it, man. So it. I don't know. I don't see any kind of interesting patterns right now that might indicate that we are at any kind of bottom right now. Let's see up here. This is 1 minute chart, and the 1 minute chart, like I mean, this is terrible. Get it crossed up there. Let's see 5 minute chart up here. Oh, there is bullish. There is a hidden bullish divergence up here. Hidden bullish divergence, right? Hidden bullish divergence. This is nice, hidden bullish divergence, so we're going towards the upside. So this is the first sign, then maybe there is some kind of bottom going on here on the 5-minute chart. Let's see 15. 15, not yet there, unfortunately, not yet there. But really close, yeah, we just closed the 15, but there is no divergence up here. So it's just going towards the upside, this line is going towards the downside, so 30 minutes got nothing on the 30 minutes, still not close. 50 minutes, yes, for a close, but down here was the, you know, hidden bullish divergence, so, you know, maybe we're at some kind of bottom, maybe. I mean, we are, like, we are close, but not yet there. NFTs to the moon, who's NFTs, guys, or are you all late adopters? Beauty, did you buy CryptoPunks? That's what I want to know. Did you buy CryptoPunks? What kind of NFTs are you hodling? Why you ignore Eagle? Because, you know, everybody spams Eagle and I want to look at Eagle, man. As soon as I start looking at coins that people spam, the spam is gonna go through the roof, guys. The spam is gonna go through the roof. As soon as I start to say anything, people are being like, hey man, look at Phantom, hey look at X, hey look at Shiba, what is Dodge doing? Dodge, do NKN, and then I start with these coins that you never heard about, like, hey, do COMP, do SRN, do IV, okay, so IV you heard about, you know, but you know, there's too much spamming, you know, so I just, you know, don't want to do too many coins from, you know, because the spam just gets too annoying, man, and I want to have a nice relaxing evening. BTC 50-minute falling wedge, ignore the fake out to 60. Ooh, falling wedge. 15 minutes. I don't know, I don't see the falling wedge, man. I see a triangle up here. Some kind of reversal pattern, maybe. Maybe. Why does it wanna do what I do? Yeah, soon something's gonna happen. Like, we got time, guys, we got time. Hello, how you doing? I'm doing good, Marek. How you doing? Marek, one of the books that I read, it was called the Transit Sci-Fi book Transit. I think it's called Transit or something like that. No, it's called Marek. Transit. What is the book called? It's not the novel. It's oh, it's such a good book, man. It's such a good book. And it's called I forgot. Anyways, the main fella was called Marek. No, I'm cautiously minting Cardano NFTs as a gamble on an insane future where they all consider world-class art. As long as you're doing something, that's good, man. You know, as long as you do something, it's not all talk. In Moon we trust. Rama Lunin is back in the chat, man. Every time Rama Lunin comes in the chat, I know. It's time to dump. Do you like broccoli? Yeah, broccoli is fine, man. I love broccoli. Luna looks like it's gonna go higher. Everything is gonna go higher, man. I mean, this is just a small pullback towards the sky. Getting there, guys, getting there. Luna 8% right now. Looks nice. Luna is fine. Bitcoin. Will Bitcoin bottom out? Will it not bottom out? What is the question? That is the question. So we are entering another wake off. I don't know. I don't watch that many wake offs, but what you think this is a wake off? You know, 5-minute wake off distribution or accumulation, or what is it? Kebman not here. That was the top, guys. There you go. The central planner understands. Kebman is not here. He only comes when we reach, you know, some kind of euphoria. I don't know why, but you know, and he's a good friend of mine, you know, but you know, every time he comes at the top. I don't know how he knows, but you know, some birdie tells him, hey man, go now, and every time he comes, that's some kind of euphoria face. So you know, you know that's it. Broccoli with melted cheddar. I don't know, I just like broccoli on the side with my potatoes. Love your videos, keep up with good wood. Where are you from? Norway, man. Norway, Arvin. Thanks, man. I think YouTube unsubbed me for a bit, so I made sure to smash the like extra hard. Have you looked at Sol recently? I think everybody's looked at Sol recently, man. 222 or 232. I think 222 was the target, but we came pretty close to 222 on Sol. Right now, pulling back. Yeah, pulling back right now. Let's see here. Yeah, it came pretty close. This is, I mean, this is pretty decent to the target. Oftentimes, when you have some kind of target, right, the price doesn't have to go on the dollar. If it goes on dollar, it's all good, right? But you know, in the ballpark area of the target as well, above it, below it, it's all good, man. It's all still hitting the target. This is still considered hitting the target, so it's all good, man. Yo, Dodge is taking off. No, don't say that, man. Too early, too early. It's just 2.52%, man. What you talking about? What you taking off? Taking off from air. We're just trying to come back on the moving averages. Damn, I thought Russian. Almost the same accent. Well, I'm not natively Norwegian, but you know, I live here, so you know, it's good times, good times. Tila, time to answer a big question. What about the moon? I answered a big question. You know, I said like it's full moon. It's gonna pump, but right now it's starting a little bit slow. It's starting a little bit slow, but it's gonna pump. Trust the moons, guys. Trust the moons. 5-minute chart. Let's see here. We're gonna soon see some kind of break. How long can this take right now? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Within 1 hour, at most 1 hour, we'll see some breakout, I think. What about, can you check Phantom? I've been checking Phantom every single minute for the entire day, man. It's up 16%. It's up 16%. Bitcoin is down 3%, Phantom went up 16%, man. It's crazy. Dodge is taking off from underground. Yeah, submarine launch. Some analysis about BTT, please. Love from India. Just doing what everything else, man. There is no analysis on BTT. Like nobody's talking about it. It's random coin. I need to know whether to pay my host this weekend or not. So I hope this recovers soon. Is this it? Close my short? Nah. Is it? Close my short? Nah. You think it's gonna... How long do you think it's... J-Day, you have a short. What's your target for a short? I wanna know. Harmony going up just like it doesn't care. Yeah, Harmony 1 also goes up. Well, not anymore. It was going up a little bit. Right now it's kind of stopped. You know, but Phantom, oh, Phantom, look at it. I actually thought it might actually continue upwards. No. J-Day, 58k. You think we're gonna hit 58k today? You think we're gonna hit 58k? I don't know, man. 58k sounds unreliable. Unreliable. It looks tough to break it. Look at 58k, 58k, 59, 58. You gotta go all the way down here. Are you hoping you're gonna hit it in the on the dollar 58k, or is 58 or up to 59k all the same for you? Is this box all the same for you? Because all of this box is 58 point something. Is entire box 58.7? Okay, you got the exact number. Okay, 58.7. 58.7 up here. Nice. This is this target up here. We gotta write something up here. J-Day gonna cry soon. No, J-Day gonna miss this. There we go. J-Day's gonna miss this. There we go. Did you see Solana miss all-time high by $1? No, I did not, but I did see it pump really good. Though. In 2017, it went sideways 14 days. 14 days straight sideways. BTC possible W pattern 5 or 15 minutes. Well, it's, you know, some kind of triple bottom maybe. 1, 2, 3. We gotta break this trend line. You see this trend line, guys? This trend line. We gotta break the trend line. I'm gonna make a big fat juicy line for you guys. I'm gonna make it red. And I'm gonna say... No, I'm gonna make it green because, you know, break the upside, it's not good. You know, green. Then we're gonna pull down the, you know, the line here, and then we're gonna type here, say cross the line and go to the beach. Yeah, you know, the beach. Cross line and go to the beach, right? That's the plan, guys. That's the plan. Cup formed, handle time now. Cup formed on what time frame? Time frame. Off topic questions. Do you have a garden? Yeah, I do. I have a small garden. I don't have any trees in garden. I have a couple of boxes that, you know, my wife's mother comes, you know, and plants some stuff in there. Some peas and stuff like that. I don't know, no flowers, but you know, food, green food. It's like two boxes. I put it in the corner of the garden, so she uses that. But you know, it's just grass. Do you have broccoli in that garden? No, I don't have any broccoli in our garden. I don't think Norwegian temperature is good for broccoli. I'm with J-Day. I'm putting my bottom at 58.4. I don't know, man. I don't know. You know, this is me. Like I see this big area of support, man. I see big area of support, and now we're gonna go in here, get some kind of bottom. I mean, we can do that, and once we start breaking 60k again down here, these levels down here becomes very probable. But if you right now break this downtrend, because this is downtrend, guys, this is downtrend. Look where we are right now, 50 moving average. You break this downtrend up here, you'd be done. The bottom is in, guys. The bottom is in. As soon as we break the downtrend up here and confirm the down, especially above the 50 moving average up here, that's gonna be done. Big gap to be filled, lots of liquidity below. Are you still on the gaps? How can you still be on the gaps, man? How can you still be on the gaps, man? Gaps are like 2018 stuff, 2018, 2008. Like, how can you still be on the gaps? 57 this weekend, around 100k starts from Sunday evening, Eastern time. Eastern time. You could just say Sunday evening, man. It's all the same. But since you are saying Eastern time, you can also say exact like time, like 8 o'clock Eastern time, 7 o'clock Eastern time. It's above 10 and 20 moving average. I don't know if you see it. It's above 10 and 20 moving average up here. It's trying to cross it towards the upside. We're gonna put it like this up here. So it is pretty close. It is pretty close. Maybe the bottom is gonna hit soon. We're gonna see. You know, if you start going down again up here, no, not this. If you start going down up again here below these levels up here, you know, then we crank to 60k. You know, that's done. Nihal CME gap to 9k now. No, Nihal messaged me on Twitter and said we closed it. Nihal said we closed the gap on Binankius. If you look here, you see here, see this line. let's go down. You see here, we closed the gap. See the 9,000 gap down here, it's closed. This is the reason, guys, you should not be trading on low leverage. Or if you want to buy cheap Bitcoin, you take some money and you put some orders on really low levels, you know, and hope that, you know, some fat fingers are gonna come and press. And we're between 6 p.m. Eastern to 8 p.m. Eastern. Okay, man, that's good. Could you say why you don't like using fibs? Yeah, it's not psychology, it's nature. It's numbers from nature. It's you know, marks are moved by psychology, not by, you know, nature number, you know, and those two things are different. So, you know, that's easily explained. You know, the same reason I don't use, you know, moving averages 21, 55. What more they use? They use 9. All of these numbers are Fibonacci numbers, right? I use 10, 20, 50. Why? Because 10, 20, 50 are psychological numbers, while 9, 21, 55 are, you know, Fibonacci numbers, Fibonacci nature, stuff like that, you know. So moon is nature, no, moon is psychology. Someone actually had an order for BTC filled at 8k and made 55k in 5 seconds. Nice. It's the universe, man. Moon are nature. Let's go and see the 5-minute chart. Did we break it, guys? Did we miss the breakout? Oh, look at that. We are breaking the green line, but let's give it a little more room, because I want to break the 50 as well. I want to break 50 as well. 128 hourly EMA. So let's go down here and say all Fibonacci numeros 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. That's why people use 13, 21, 34, 55. You'll see a lot of people that use exponential moving average use, you know, 21, 34, 55. But 128 is not Fibonacci number. 128 is a mathematical number, you know. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, right? So, you know, a binary number, 128 hourly EMA. But Fibonacci number. So when you see somebody using 21, 55 instead of 20 and 50, they're using because of Fibonacci, you know. So that's why I don't use, you know, Fibonacci number. It's numbers from nature that people think it has to have some kind of meaning, and they don't. I think we are doing the same thing as previous accumulation. You think? I haven't checked the previous accumulation. I'm not quite sure what kind of accumulation. Dodge is going. Don't scare me, man. I want to go into Dodge, man. What the F, man? If I miss Dodge, I'm gonna. It's just 3.7%. But yeah, this is 5-minute chart, man. Dodge is actually going. Dodge wants to go. For all, yeah, it's back where it was. It's back where it was. It's a good time to buy more, shall I wait? I don't know, man. I think everything is good, man. You know, it all depends if you do leverage, you are an owner. If you don't do leverage, I think Bitcoin is gonna go higher. Now, what you do with that information is up to you, you know. See here, maybe just very, very close. You know, I would like to get above the 50, you know. Above the 50 would be nice. This 5-minute chart, you know, what can you say about a 5-minute chart? Maybe, let's see here. So close yet so far. What about I think a Tron coin? Not very much, man. It's just one of those things that pumped up. Previous bull run, it was there was definitely some, you know, hype about Tron, but right now nobody's talking. Everybody's talking about Solana. I don't know, you know. Everybody's talking about dollar cost average. Theta gonna hit 7. Yeah, probably. I mean, Theta is crazy. As soon as Theta starts going, Theta is gonna hit some crazy numbers. Right now, 11% up, but it's hitting the resistance up here. It's hitting the resistance, but once it starts breaking this, you know, this towards the upside, Theta is gonna go, man. Not a good time, huh? 58k. What? What do we do? No, wait. What happened, man? What happened? No. Not a good time. 58k. Ah, you're getting scared, Jay. You're getting scared, man. You're getting scared. Stay away from Cardano XRP. They will wake up next bull run. Next bull run. Yeah, sure, man. I can stay away for 4 years. What about IOTA? Who talks about IOTA? I seen some talk about IOTA, but you know, to tell you the truth, you know, IOTA is this Norwegian coin. I think a lot of Norwegians bought IOTA. I don't know why, but a lot of Norwegians bought IOTA. So during the previous bear market, everybody was talking, hey, because I was on these Norwegian forums, right? And everybody was like, hey, man, how much IOTA do you have? You know, so I think on IOTA to be like some kind of Norwegian coin, because I think everybody here has it, but you know, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't do anything. Next bull run, yeah, I believe the highs for this month already. We are going to go up and down to keep people guessing, and then at the very end of the month or November, we're going to rocket. That's a good prediction, man. Tiela, what do you hold, or any projects you're looking at? I'm looking at everything, man. I'm telling my patrons what I hodl. So if you want to join the Patreon, you know, jump on the ship. What do you think about DYDX? I can tell you what I think. Like, I thought it was good. I thought it was something nice, and you know, I started looking at it, right, because people start talking about it, but I don't know what it is. And then it had this triangle up here, and it was looking good because it's a new project, whatever, right? It was looking at this. It went up. It went in this triangle. It should have broken up until it got to 30. It didn't. It broke down. Then I drew a new triangle down here, broke that. The good thing is sitting down here, you know, but whether this is some kind of bottom or not, you know, it's hard to tell. It does look terrible. So, you know, what it can, you know, move towards the upside. But even on the fall, it's like below all the moving averages. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know. It does not look good. Like, there are better projects. So why am I gonna look at DYDX? You know, I always thought Jota is from Germans. Maybe it's from Germans, but you know, Norwegians got a lot of Jota. I can tell you that. A lot of Norwegians are hodling Jota like crazy. Have you loaded up on ERA? You know about ERA? I'm gonna tell you. No, I'm not gonna tell you. Join Patreon. We are 135 people in here. And how many likes? 120 likes. Good job, guys, good job. 135, 120 likes, but there is 148 poll answers and only 120 likes. So 28 people who answered the poll did not hit the like button. But a good you know, view to like ratio. Nice, very nice. Well done, guys. Hopefully the 5 minutes just retest. Let's go back to 5 minutes. I'm kind of losing it all the time. There we go, there we go. Maybe some kind of retest on the line. Is the line good, by the way? Maybe the line is not legit because we only have 2 hits. I think this is the line. Yeah, this is the better line. We broke the line, definitely. The line is definitely broken. The only thing that's standing in our way right now is the 50 moving average, you know, and then, you know, the XE or Shiba for short term was better. Both are good, I think. I think Shiba is, you know, Shiba pumped 300%, so, you know, it has to cool off a little bit, but XE is going up like crazy. I think everything is gonna go up like crazy. Like, I don't know. I think, you know, right now, I'm gonna tell you right now, guys, I think, you know, alt season might be on knocking on the doorsteps over here. You can see over here already right now. You know, this move towards downside, but Bitcoin is also moving towards downside. So if Bitcoin continues going up and this continues going down, that's the alt season kicking in. You know, right now it might be some kind of start of the alt season. We're gonna see that. You deserve a like, man. Oh, thanks, Asun. Hit it twice or 3 times. I think IXS moving now. Yeah, man. 128, 698. Yeah, doing good, nice, doing good. IXS doing good. Polk, Pulse, FTM, Luna, Avax, Sol, Dot, Mover, 1 Atom. You have them and you will be set. Guys, listen to this guy, Vincent Mark. Now, I cannot agree with you on the Polk, or Polk is actually doing that. But I don't agree. I mean, Pulse and Polk, they go together, you know. FTM, sure, Luna, sure, AVAX, everybody. Right now, everybody's talking about AVAX and Solana, guys. AVAX and Solana, everybody's talking about. Dot, is Polk and Dot the same? I think Polk and Dot is the same. Mover, 1 Atom, 1 is also moving. I don't know why, but I've noticed it for a long time ago. Like 1 has very good charts, and Atom also looks good. You have them, you'll be set. But why do you have to have that many coins? Just pick like 2 coins and you're fine. 50-50 or 1 coin. I watched you for 6 months. I learned a lot. Thanks, Khalid. I appreciate that. I appreciate it. I hope you do learn a lot. All season will be here at the end of November and December. Let's go back to the chart, man. We gotta watch the 5-minute chart. Cannot miss this, man. Cannot miss this move. Are you invested in any Cardano DEX right now? Polkadot is not, yeah, but what is Polk? Polk, what is Polk? Polka markets. Is this something? Does Polka markets has anything to do with Polkadot? That's what I wanna. EGLD is my favorite. EGLD became totally, you know, Polka markets. Yeah, EGLD became very popular once MM Crypto started talking about it. So, you know, I noticed that. Going for some kind of retest down here. You can see the, you know, rejection of the 50. right now, you know. We'll see if this 1020, you know, on the line down here holds, and if we can move towards the upside. I got crashed with Bitcoin. Are there any expectation for it to go back up? Well, it will go up eventually, you know. I don't think we're done. Paul, come on. What is your take on Sol? Sol looks good, man. Hit some kind of target right now, so, you know, some kind of pullback sideways move might happen. Unless it's too exciting and just continues pumping like crazy. If 60k were the bottom of the pullback, what's your opinion on next price target? 69, 70 reasonable? I think 80 is reasonable. Luna has been good, yes, it's in dot. Okay, it's in dot. Yeah, anything that's correlated with Polkadot is rising in price. I don't know why, but, you know, I've noticed it before, so, you know. Pokemon. Parachain. So close, come on, so close. What's 1 minute doing? 1 minute not wanna play ball, man. Still this 200 moving average on 1 minute still. 5 minutes, come on. Let's see 15 minutes up here. 50 minutes is above the 50 minutes is above, oh man, 50 minutes is above 10 moving average, so, you know, that's something. Let's see 30 minutes. Oh, getting rejected up there, really close up here. We got this very nice bottom down here. Maybe it's a bottom, guys. Do you think it's bottom, guys? We are definitely going to hit 130 by the end of this cycle. Definitely. You seem very convinced, man. You seem very convinced. Don't be convinced, man. That can hurt you. Just do it like this. Say, I don't care if it's 80, or if it's 130, or if it's 250. The only thing I care about is that I know when we get there that we are at the top, okay? Because if you look at the one number and you say we're gonna hit 130, then you're gonna miss that we are at the top at 90. Then you're gonna miss that might be the top at 150. Then you're gonna sell at 130. So don't have any kind of predefined thoughts about where the top is. Just let it flow, man. Just let it flow. And then when we get there, just, you know, believe in yourself that you will at that time have enough confidence and in Norwegian called insight, self-insight, I don't know how you call it, translate, insight, self-insight, to understand that you are at the top, you know, that's a better way to say. Come on, BTC Moon, yeah, come on, BTC, Lennon loves me, no, Lennon been white off me all night and not paying attention to the moon, dude, stop doing that. Let it go. We need the green candles. Sorry, night. Oh, you are right, my man. 100% you are right, my man. Thanks. Try to be. I don't know if I'm right, you know, but I said, you know, that the previous run-up, previous bull market is gonna hit top between 80 and 100, and I was so sure about 80 and 100 that I could not see the 60 could be at the top. I was so sure, like, it has to be 80, it has to be at least 80, and when it came only to 65, and I just didn't see it, you know. We had to start going down to, for me it'll be like, oh man, did we just hit the top, what the, you know, because I was just being so bullish, I was being euphoric, I just ignore everything. But because I did the same mistake, man, you know, I was looking at 80k at least, you know, and we stop at 65. So, you know, if you have your mindset on 130, you will miss the other numbers, you know. Insight, yeah, insight. Top at 3 million, there you go. Tinted del Canfidos. Canifos. Insight in Dutch. Norwegian and Dutch is pretty similar. Norwegian, Dutch, German, pretty similar. Hope you good, guys. We good, Cabeza. Thanks for stopping by, man. How you doing? So the green line doesn't want to be green. The 50 moving average, you know, kicking us down. Maybe Jay is not gonna miss this. Maybe he will not miss it. Back below the moving averages. Ah, this is cool. This is painful. This is painful. We gotta, you know, this is, you know, the trend is broken, but right now I'm thinking there is a new trend forming here. So maybe we broke the trend and create a new trend. Maybe that's the thing. Maybe that's the thing, guys. So there is a new line here. There is a new line. We're gonna look at it. New line. And we're gonna say on this one, new line. This is the right one now. Okay, guys. We got a new line. We got a new trend. We got a new symmetrical triangle. We still got like, oh, wow, this long time. All up. Not been so busy lately, missing a few live shows, but I watch after every day. Good thing, man. Good thing. Take care of the business, you know, in real life, stuff like that. Chacoban beat is 345 by 356 AM 23rd November 2021. It would be nice. I think it will wick to 20 daily, probably tomorrow, and then bounce to close weekly doji. Oh, I don't know, man. I don't know if it's gonna wick down there. You still got some kind of lines up here, you know. Still got some, you know. You can also see this new line is right now following the 50 moving average, so it is a very important line. Bouncing off of the 13M on the daily. We don't do 13s. We don't do 13s. Do not panic sell. Too late. Low 59s. Can you check Tezos for me, please? Nah, sorry, man. I like the song. What's it called? It's called something like Second Dose by Harris Heller. Right here. Oh, look at it. Going back to the line. The new line, guys. Second Dose, Harris Heller. This one. Where can I put this up here? Maybe just like this. Yeah, it's fine. There you go. It's a nice song. What is your dot opinion? It's good, man. It's good. In such an uptrend, we should be happy with a dip. Yes, we should. You're not checking out other coins in this show. No, not really. We're just trying to find about just trying to chill out. We will check, you know, once we figure out some button. Maybe, you know, maybe you know, in title says maybe check some altcoins as well, maybe, and we are maybe checking some other altcoins, but you know, we are not going, you know, all gung-ho. First we gotta, you know, confirm the bottom. You can see this, you know, cross this line, go to the beach. Now this line, you know, is acting as support. So this is the third trend. This looks good, guys. I think this is the bottom. You know, right now we need to break this second line up here. We're gonna move this down here like this, and this on the downside here. So it's not actually gross to beach, but this new line, this is the right one right now. This is you can see here on the dollar hitting like my lines, man. So we're gonna do some other coins, man. We're gonna do some other coins. It's all good, man. Crypto Save also adjusts his lines as BT's price goes up. Choco Band, that's how technical analysis work, man. We drew lines, we believe in the lines, and then we hope those lines are correct. And you know, with experience you get better and better at drawing the lines, because you know you need a lot of experience, you know, to figure out, you know, what the price might do to the line, how to draw the line, you know, and what other people are looking at, right? And then we also look at, you know, when the price comes to the line, if it how it reacts to the line, that is there and you respect the line or not, how is the volume when it crossing the line, and so forth, and then we figure out maybe the line is not correct. If we because we can miss, like there is no certainty in this, but you know, sometimes, you know, you do miss and you know need to find new lines. But on one chart there is a lot of lines, man. There is a lot of lines. Some are better than other lines, you know, which one is gonna be hit, which one is not gonna be hit, which one is gonna be respected, which one is not gonna be respected. Both of these lines are legit lines. All three lines are legit lines. All three lines are good lines. You don't understand this, but let me explain to you, okay guys? Let me explain. Let me just start over here. First of all, this down here, this was the first line we drew. This is called the trend line because it's a downtrend, and over here this is what we call a break of the trend. So this right now what's happening is we broke the trend, but breaking a trend line down here, you know, the price might continue in any kind of direction it wants. Breaking the trend means you are no longer going in this direction. Right now you are changing the direction. So these steep trend lines getting broken only mean that price, you know, can continue however it wants. It doesn't mean it's gonna go up. It doesn't mean it's gonna go up, but it can go in any kind of direction it wants to go. But you know, this movement is right now broken. That's the good stuff about this. Then once it's broken, we are looking for the next trend line, and right now these three points up here are working really nicely, and this is also a trend line. But thing is, this is not as steep as this one, right? It's not as steep, it's very flat. And when you start breaking these flat trend lines, this is when you kind of go you know, start going really heavy to the upside, because you kind of can't go sideways after breaking these trends up here. So you're going like this right now, you know. So when you break, you're not going to continue going like this, you know. You're going to continue at least going up here, something like that. So you know, all of the lines are legit. So both this one, the downtrend line, is legit. The second one is legit up here. The second one is legit, and the bottom one support is also legit. So all the lines are legit. And now you can see that we are breaking the new line. Bam! Once we get it close, you can see here the price is already moving. Let's see the volume up here on the chart. There is no volume. People don't understand this. Means bottoms is decided. Yeah, it looks like it. I think this looks like it is. We hit the 60k on the dollar. On the dollar, 60,700 on the dollar. Look at this, man, on the dollar. And right now it's just like, you know, time to, you know, reverse it and go up. 50 EMA bursted. No, it's not bursted. This is very important, guys. This is very important. Closes are very important. This over here is still open candle. Open candles can close below. Open candles can close above. Open candles can turn around and close down here. Open candles can do everything. We do not trust open candles. We only trust closed candles. A closed candle is a candle that does not move anymore, and those are the candles that are giving a, you know, bullish inside. Down here, this is a bullish move down here. You know, we went down through the 10 and 20 moving average, right back up again. That's a bullish move. Also support holding, bullish move. Breaking the resistance up here, bullish move. If we close above here, I am thinking this is the bottom, guys. Glad I'm awake to see this. This is the bottom, and you know, we know about these things. Okay, great understanding, awesome, brother. I've been doing tech analysis for a while. You know, it's really hard to figure out what's correct and what's not correct, how the prices move. But I think I got this, you know, tech analysis down on the dollar, so it's good. V pattern, 5-minute pattern breakout, 61 400. This double, yeah, you can also say that this is some kind of double bottom pattern. Right now it's breaking out. 40 seconds left. This looks nice. Forget about the lines. Remember, guys, Rothschilds bought BTC also, unless they sold, which I don't think the price is bound to go up. These guys will never let it go down below their purchase price. No, they will. Rothschilds don't care, man. They don't care. They just buy just so they can have it. They're like, hey, how much Bitcoin is there around? 21 million. How much is the supply? 70 million. Okay, let's buy like 7 million and you know, just keep it around, you know, just in case. And if it goes to zero, they don't care, man. They can literally buy all of the bitcoins ever and all of the altcoins ever, and they will be like, okay, what are we gonna do now? That's it, guys. The bottom is in. We have broke the 50 moving average on the 5-minute chart. Let's see how this looks on a bigger time frame. Still, you know, still got this 15-minute chart, 50-minute up here, 30-minute break, 1 hourly. 1 hourly is way above up here. So, you know, right now I think we're gonna go a little bit up before we get the rejection again. But this 5-minute is definitely done. This 5 minutes definitely is done. How long have you been in crypto space? Since most of the people 2017, you know. Just before 2017. Who cares who owns it? This is the revolution. We the people are going to have the power. No, we're not. But yeah, let's not do the politics, you know. Let's not do the politics, but yeah, whatever. Bitcoin is Bitcoin, like. Wall Street closing. I don't know if they're closing. Maybe that's it. But this looks like it's done, at least in 5 minutes. So J Day, I'm sorry, man, but you know, if we are gonna get down right now, if you're gonna get down to 58k and right now, I think we gotta, you know, go a little bit up here, get reject up here, and then I try again. But right now I think it's done. But on the 5-minute chart, let's move everything up here. Closing 4 minutes. 4 minutes, yeah, I got like 4 minutes to close. Is this 4 hourly closing as well? Yeah, 4 hourly is closing as well. God damn it. 4 hourly is closing as well. 1 hourly is closing. 30 minutes, everything is closing in 4 minutes, man. It's gonna be nice. Let's watch this 30-minute chart. Let's watch the 50-minute chart. See if we can get above the 200. We are probably gonna close above the red line, the 20 moving average, but you know, it's nice to watch it. Nice to watch it. 146 viewers, 158 likes. Nice like to be viewers to like a ratio. I don't get notifications for your stream. What's up with that? I do a lot of videos on during the day, and notifications only go for 3 out of those videos. So YouTube don't want to send notifications for all of the videos. You can only send notifications for 3 videos out of in 24-hour span. So there is no notification for this stream. You only get suggestions and stuff like that in your... I think market makers were trying to push the price as low as possible to minimize their loss on options, and they got to shake off some longs and buy the dip. Ouch. Hello. Hey J-Day, how you doing? Love streams? Sounds spicy. I don't know how these things go. 2 minutes left. This looks like... You know, I think on a bigger time frame, we gotta get above certain levels up here, of course, right? This is technically, it's not done until we pump like crazy, but you know, on the small time frames, it does look like some kind of recovery is happening already. RSI showing bullish divergence on 50 minutes yet. Let's see 50 minutes bullish divergence. No, the price is going up, everything is going up. There is no divergence at all on 50 minutes. There is divergence on the 30 minutes. This is hidden bullish divergence on 30 minutes. That's the only thing, but it's already played out. 1 minute 20 seconds. Oh my! I think I need to go to the bathroom. At which hour is the morning tea tomorrow? There is no morning tea, man. I do a lot of videos, but it's around 13 hours from right now, whichever place you are. Like calculate 13 hours from now. Around that time. How much right does a bullish hammer carry with it? How much right does a bullish hammer carry with you? Is there a bullish hammer here somewhere? $30 seconds left, guys. This looks juicy. This looks good. This looks close above. Yeah, one of the bottom move is done. So you know, Be happy that BTC doesn't need that amount of morning attention anymore. Hopefully it can now put on its own pants. Yeah, maybe. This breaks the upside, guys. This breaks the upside. It's actually like this up here. Upside break, upside break. Let's see the volume. Volume is actually not that exciting. Could be better. There we go. Close 30 minutes above the 10 moving average. Close 50 minutes above 10-20 moving average. 1 hourly right now going towards this 10 moving. So we're gonna see how we react once we get there. You know, bigger time frames, or these medium big time frames like hourly and 4 hourly and stuff like that. We got some juices to do. We got some juices to do. Maybe we're gonna, you know, pump here above 50. You know, quite fast. That can happen. But you know, the daily, the weekly and stuff like that, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, this 4 hourly. 1 hourly, it's already down there. Small time frames done, but you know, if we wait a couple hours, you know, we'll see what actually happens. Did TLI do Phantom already? Nah, Phantom 16%, man. That thing goes crazy. Not really, but how much influence it carry? What carries influence? Wait, oh wait. How much weight does a bullish hammer carry with you, TLI? Oh, not much. Like specific. When you just look at candles, candle by itself can indicate certain bullishness and bearishness in the chart, right? So I really like bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing candles, some kind of patterns, dojis and stuff like that. Hammers maybe, but it's just one of those things. Like if it's already bullish and you got a, you know, some kind of bullish hammer, you know, it's nice. If it's already bearish and you got a bearish engulfing candle, it's just like extra confirmation, but nothing that I would, you know, look by itself and, you know, play on that. It's just one of those things that, you know, you add to the bullishness or bearishness, whatever you're looking at, other stuff. You don't look at just one thing. You always look at a lot of, like, did you break the resistance? Did you break the support? Are you sitting above, you know, certain lines? Are you holding certain lines? How did you, you know, right now you went to the certain level. How did you react to that certain levels, you know? And then you put these things up, and then you also look at the, you know, indicators. Okay, now the indicators. How are indicators? Now this is the bullish move, but are indicators confirming the bullishness and so forth, so forth. When you got that going on, you know, you kind of figure it out. But just, you know, just one thing by itself, no. One thing by itself has no weight, but you know, when you put it with something, it has a little weight. Everything carries a little weight. Like this move on the 5-minute chart. This move on the 5-minute chart carries a little weight, right? This is a bullish move to above the 50. This is a testing support. That's a bullish move. This go up is not bullish move, but this, you know, hold, you know, this support holding the 10 and 20 movement, that's a bullish. So you got this is some kind of, you know, double bottom down here, bullish. You broke the downtrend down here, bullish. You got to retest on that, bullish. You gotta hold the 10 and 20, bullish. You cross the 50, bullish. You gotta retest on the 50, bullish. So you know, you can see right now that there are several things right now that are accumulating, a pattern going up, bullish. You know, several things I'm saying bullish, 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 bullish. Like move after move after move is bullish, and then you know you try to accumulate this bullishness and say, okay, right now the price is bullish or not. But this bullishness or bearishness accumulation does not work on the 5-minute chart. Now it does work for a little while, but it plays out pretty fast. Now on the daily chart, if you look the same way, the daily chart, like you look at the 5-minute chart and you look at, okay, we broke this level, we did this, we held this level on the support on the pullback, we did this. So you add the bullishness on the daily chart. Now the daily chart will continue longer than the 5-minute chart does. Like 5-minute chart, you go to the bathroom back, like 10 candles done, but you know, 10 candles on the daily chart are 10 days, you know, so 10 days of bullishness is better than, you know, 1 hour of bullishness. Wow, I'm so bullish now. So bullish, yeah, bullish. Yeah, you have to use it with other indicators. Yeah, you have, like, there is no such thing as just one thing. Just another piece of, yeah, just another piece of pulse. You just stack, I like using the word stack. You stack the bullishness and you stack the bearishness. If the price is going down and you want to see how bearish it is, like, stack the bearishness. Like, price goes down towards the support line and it cannot hold the support line, breaks it, bearish, right? And it tries to get up again, right? And then it hits resistance and it gets rejected, bearish. So these moves start, you know, accumulating, and then you see these patterns like maybe a bearish engulfing candle, bearish. Then you see it goes up and you see some kind of doji at the top, bearish. You know, so all of these moves accumulate to the bearishness and bullishness, right? And that's how we analyze the chart, guys. That's the analyze. That's why I don't like, you know, guys that do Fibonacci, because they'll do something like this. They'll take the Fibonacci. They'll be like, okay, we got some numbers here. We're going up now, and I think we're gonna hit some kind of one level, or this is the resistance. You know, we might hit these kind of levels. This is the target. Looks very nice. We held the support at 0.23. Now it's too easy. It's too easy. It's too easy. IXS breaking out. Yeah, probably, man. I had this video, guys. 5-minute closing. Hi, man. Late for the show again, but at least I got time to say hi. That's good. That's good, man, Nikolic. That's good. At least you came in to say hi. I liked it. I appreciate that. Thanks, man. Dodge 4% up. Man, what? Stop pumping the goddamn coins, man. Stop pumping the goddamn coins, guys. Theta 12%. Damn it. I think people see right now Bitcoin 177% going up. I think everything is recovering right now. AXS 7% up. AXS is going. Let's see 1 hourly chart. Oh, this is bullish. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is nice. Maybe some kind of pullback, and it's gonna. Then I'm gonna. This, when you see some kind of impulsive move and you see this move towards the upside. This is so bullish. This is very bullish. This is very nice. I like that. Oh, it looks like it's gonna go. It looks like it's gonna go. Good explanation though. You're welcome, Jay. I know a lot of, you know, if you want to learn tech analysis, join the Patreon, man. Nah, Patreon is more to, you know, to see me analyze other stuff. But there is tech analysis crash course on the Patreon if you want to know. I staked my AXS. Maybe that's good. I don't know. I only look at monthly and weekly candles. I don't think monthly Chaco man. Monthly. I'm gonna tell you, Chaco man, I'm gonna tell you a secret. Big money, you know, hedge funds, institutional investor, Michael Saylor, Elon Musk, you know, the big money. They look at weekly charts only. Not monthly, not daily, not 4 hourly. They come once a week or every Monday. They open the chart, say, oh, okay, what's happened? They don't follow the price every single day. They look at it from, you know, week to week, the changes, and they decide, you know, whether they're gonna open it. But, you know, when it comes close to some kind of, you know, closing time, they might be looking a little bit often. But, you know, in the bigger picture, they look at it once a week. Like, what's happened? Like, they don't have time to sit there and watch their, okay, maybe they got some kind of, you know, some kind of paycheck guys that are watching the chart every second. But, you know, the corporate up in the hill, you know, they are like, okay, give me the what's happened this week. Okay, okay, come back next week. We're gonna see how this does do that. Tila, I still wait for you to one day do TA on Singularity Net. No money for Patreon because I buy high and sell low. Oh, Evelyn, so sorry about that. Singularity Net, what is that, man? I'm gonna do Singularity Net if it's on the trading view. Okay, Singularity. That is actually on the trading view, man. Singularity Net token. Is this one? There are several ones. Singularity Net. I never seen this, man. And of course, it's on QCon. QCon is the new Cryptopia, and for everybody who knows Cryptopia, you're not old guys. John Wayne, what's the only reason? A lot of mistakes everywhere. Okay. So which one is it? SDAO, AGIC-X, AGIC-X. Okay, it's this one. Okay, let's see Singularity Net token. Yeah, it depends what kind of trader you are. Those guys are looking at holding for at least 5 years, and you got swing trade. And yeah, of course. But you know, big money. And what you also notice that Bitcoin chart, Bitcoin chart on the weekly is really accurate. Bitcoin chart, but we cannot do weekly chart. XX token, sir. Evelyn, you need to change the male name, man. I thought you were a girl. You got me good, man. You got me good. But you know, I got you with the sir. I got you with the sir. So you know, you need to change the name. So this looks first look, it looks bad. It had a nice pump. It's right now dumping. It tried to hold a, you know, it had nice, you know. Why am I doing this? So the first thing is, you know, it had a nice pump, then smack, hug, dump. Okay, so this happened, and right now it's below the weekly 10 moving average. The volume down here, it pumped, and right now going down with the price. So this is a good thing. It's looking for some kind of bottom. Maybe this 100 moving average is some kind of bottom right now. The volume is still going down, so it's not done yet. It's not done yet. It has to get above the 50 moving average. 50 moving average is a really important level of resistance, so you gotta get above that. But you know, so it's either on some kind of bottom down here, or you're gonna see the bottom. Maybe we should change these to skinnier lines and yellowish. I don't think this one, it might be something like this up here, give or take. Yeah, give or take. It is a some kind of bottom, but it looks weak. It looks very weak. It's too early. It needs to show some kind of bullishness. It's even below the 20 moving average down here. Let's look some kind of. It's done going sideways. I mean, it's definitely done going sideways. But you know, whales need to decide, you know, which direction this is gonna go. So you know, once it starts going up, you want to see the move above the 50 moving average. Above 50 moving average, bullish. If it crosses down on the line, that's bearish. So you know, it's you know, it's either one of these moves. But right now it's just trading range. You can see entirely this move up here. It is trading range, like it's doing nothing. It's just waiting. It's just waiting. It's sitting down on 50. There is no more. It's sideways move. So it needs to do something for us to figure out where it's gonna go. I trade with yearly candles. Yeah, so did we hit the bottom? Let's go back to the 5-minute chart down here. It looks nice. It looks nice, pumping to the upside. John, I love TLI streams. Nice. Anyways, guys, we found the bottom. I hope you hit the like button. Let's see here. Let's close this poll. Why is VChain struggling? It's not struggling. It's doing fine, man. It's hitting the resistance, so it has to wait a little bit. Atom. Okay, guys, I gotta go to the bathroom, but you know, we've been how long have we been streaming for right now? 1 hour and 20 minutes. So you know, I think we're done for the day. Anybody else want to know about all the altcoins? We are tracking like 100 altcoins every single day, watching what's good, what's not. If you want to know that, check out the Patreon link down below in the comments. Besides that, I really gotta go to the bathroom, man. Oh, I don't know what I ate. Maybe too much Coke. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. I do appreciate it. You know, I just want to see, you know, when this bottom is gonna kick in. Right now, you know, the first part of the bottom is in, you know, then there is second part. You know, you gotta cross certain resistance. You gotta go certain levels. You know, you gotta break those and be bullish. You know, you gotta build up the bullishness. But right now, the first part, this downtrend down here, it's done. So you're gonna see that. Bring the camp to the bathroom with you. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for stopping by. See you around. Where's my stop button?